To set your lock screen notification style to details in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. Next, tap the lock screen thumbnail to customize your lock screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your lock screen to do so on your lock screen. Long tap on an empty area and then enter your current screen lock. Now tap the lock screen notification bar and then select details thumbnail at the bottom of the screen. To save the change, tap done button. To see the change you made, go to your lock screen. When there's a notification, as the example, a new message, you can see that your phone will display the detail of it in your lock screen, such as the app icon, the sender name, the time, and a brief of the notification content. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.